In this video, we are discussing interface segregation principle. A class should not be forced to implement interfaces it does not use. This principle suggests that it is better to have multiple small specific interfaces rather than having large general purpose interface. This helps in avoiding the problem of classes being forced to implement methods they do not need. In this example, we will discuss more about interface segregation principle. For example, we have worker interface. So worker can work and eat, but in case of robot can only work, it cannot eat. So in that case, it is getting failed. So what we can do is we can segregate the interface into individual interfaces. So here I created eatable and workable interfaces. So in eatable interface, we have eat method, and in one workable interface, we have work method. And robot can implement the work method. It can work, but it cannot eat. So here, if we don't follow interface segregation principle, the robot need to implement the eat method forcefully. So even it is not required. So by segregating the interfaces, the robot can only implement the workable interface, and it can override work method. When it comes to a worker can implement both interfaces, workable and eatable, because he can eat and he can work. So in this example, the interface segregation principle is getting satisfied.